Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare this simple cookie together. Here I'm putting my butter into the bowl. So I'm just going to mash it a little bit before I add the rest of the ingredients. It was so delicious, guys, and it doesn't require a lot. So here I add my sugar. I'm going to mix it also together. So I keep on mixing it together, guys. The next thing, yeah, I'm going to sift my flour, my baking powder, my pinch of salt, and my powder mix. So I'm just going to sift everything together before I continue the mixing. Guys, it was really easy and delicious. I love to have cooking app, so any time of the day you can just bring it and eat and drink with something, tea or whatsoever you want to use it to drink. Not too much sugar because it's homemade. Of course, it don't have to be too sweet. So yeah, I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together. My hand was already clean. Now I'm going to add my egg into the mixing also. So I'm just going to mix everything together, guys. I continue mashing everything together gently. I am done now. So I'm going to put my coconut flakes inside. I'm going to put 2 spoons inside. It was so delicious. So I'm going to put 2 spoons and mix it together again, guys. Try it and let me know what you think about it. Really, it changed the taste. So here I am almost done. I'm going to put it on a plastic bag and put it on the freezer for a few minutes to rest. Few minutes later, guys, here I have my dough. I'm going to roll it now to my desired taste. So I'm going to cut it into two to make it easy for the rolling. I'm going to mash it a bit so that the rolling can be easy for me. I just roll it gently without I doesn't break it much, so I'm just rolling it gently, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you watch me to this moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to friends and family, and leave your comment down below so that we will know what you guys think about the video. I continue, guys. This is the cutter I'm using for today. It was so beautiful design, so I'm going to do it all over the dough before I remove the excess one that was in the corner, and I will roll it again. So I'm going to put it in the oven tray. So I will bake this cookie for 15 minutes for 160 degrees. I will keep on checking so that it doesn't get burnt. It don't stay longer in the oven. So I will repeat the same process again for the other one. So that's what I'm just doing right now. Our cookie is almost ready to go to the oven, guys. So it was so easy to make. Here we have so beautiful and so yummy. Wow, look at how easy it broke. So it was very delicious, guys. Wow, you can see the way I'm just breaking it easily. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.